Oh, I forgot to. You know what? I was very excited to open it up, but I forgot to press the record button. Anyway, this is not this color, this is not that color. This will be a surprise for you. Are you ready? Can you guess the color? I give you 3 seconds. Yes, 3 seconds is up. It's not red, it's not pink, it's not green, it's not yellow. It is. Ta-da! Oh my goodness. I just took it out and look at it. Oh, it's. I do not wear heels. I already got rid of all my heels because it's not comfortable and it's a suffering. So, but this kind of heel, it's in Chinese we call it porger. It's a slope heel, and it's relatively comfortable, and it's more wearable. You can walk it, and quite elastic and quite strong. This is very strong. This is like a beton, like a rock. Strong. Let me try it. The size. Oh my goodness, just the perfect size. Can you imagine it? It's just the perfect size. Why this time I am so right? I am so very right. The reason I usually wear this size or in other brand or in other kind of shoes. I wear this is the size, and because this is wide, so it's very comfortable. You can wear the shoe size that is a little bit smaller. That is just the width, the length of your feet. For the pointed toe, it becomes very narrow down. I buy one size larger or half size larger, and so it's a little bit long. But this one is just perfect. Oh, I love it. I love this. Oh my gosh, I am so spoiled. Don't you think so? This is not fair. Anyway, that's it. You have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. I love you. I really do. Do. I am going to do an outfit of the day. Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Look at me. I just finished my work. A little bit tired. So let's just be silly and do something to brighten up my day. Okay, so this dress, it's I think it's one size larger than what is good for to make it a little bit more stylish, and it looks like at home sleep wear. This one is medium size. I think a small size will be better for me. Anyway, I want to make it a little bit more stylish, just a little bit more. So we wear. So we wear a pair of new shoes, and this shoes is this is bleach white. This is normal white. Maybe I should change another. Anyway, so Vivaia, and it's made of recycled bottle, and it's extremely comfortable and quite stylish. I'm a teacher. I have a lot of these kind of ribbons. No matter I buy it or no matter the gift from students, Let's see if we can make it a little bit more stylish. Anyway, you get the idea. You get the idea. I have another ribbon. I can put it here or tie my hair. We can put the polka dots here and see if it is a little bit better. I cut it too short. Anyway, you get the idea. This is polka dots and this is the ribbon. All you need is a $4 ribbon. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Cuckoo, bye, bye.